So today I'll be talking about eating disorders. Many people, especially females, do dieting on a regular basis in order to achieve an ideal beauty image. But many of us forget and don't know that when this dieting may convert into irregular or disturbed eating patterns. So eating disorder is characterized by persistent disturbance in our eating behaviors or patterns. So we'll further understand about the types of eating disorders. So the three types of eating disorders are anorexia nervosa, bulimia nervosa, and binge eating disorder. So moving on to the first type, that is anorexia nervosa, people try to restrict their energy intake to the extent that they're successful in achieving significantly low body weight. तो जो नॉर्मल वेट माना जाता है फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन इन अ पर्टिकुलर एज ग्रुप, people with ED have much lower weight than that. In second type, that is bulimia nervosa, there is first an episode of binge eating, that is overeating, and then these people try to overthrow all the food out of their bodies. तो पहले ये लोग overeat कर लेते हैं and then they try to take it out all of their bodies by using several methods, for example self-induced vomiting, using laxatives. तो एक तरह से जो ओवर ईटिंग से इनका वेट बढ़ने के चांसेस होते हैं, दे ट्राई टू रिड्यूस दैट वेट बाय टेकिंग आउट द फूड आउट ऑफ देयर सिस्टम्स. In the third type, that is binge eating disorder, there is again overeating, but this is not followed by taking out the food from their systems. तो उसमें खाली overeating होती है. That is people with binge eating disorder eat more than normal amount of food and eat large amounts of food, but they don't try to take out of their systems. So binge eating disorder usually results in people with being overweight or obese. So anorexia nervosa में there's restrictive intake of energy. In bulimia nervosa there's overeating followed by taking out all the food from the systems, and in binge eating there is just overeating. Is there a way to treat eating disorders? So eating disorder usually starts with the idea that we have to be thin. हम एक आइडियल बॉडी इमेज अचीव करना चाहते हैं, बिकॉज ऑफ विच वी स्टार्ट मेकिंग चेंजेस इन आर डाइटरी पैटर्न्स और आर ईटिंग बिहेवियर्स. तो द फर्स्ट रोड टू रिकवरी इज टू नो 4 थिंग्स. यू नीड टू एक्सेप्ट योर सेल्फ. आप जैसे हैं वैसे अच्छे हैं. यू डोंट नीड टू चेंज योर सेल्फ फॉर एनी वन. यू नीड टू स्टार्ट लविंग योर सेल्फ. डोंट फोर्स योर बॉडी टू बी समथिंग दैट इट इज नॉट. आप अपनी बॉडी को फोर्स नहीं कर सकते. स्टार्ट लविंग योर सेल्फ, स्टार्ट लविंग योर अपीयरेंस. फाइनली स्टार्ट लिसनिंग टू योर बॉडी, लिसन टू योर फीलिंग्स. आई नो दीज 4 थिंग्स विल कम स्लोली विद टाइम. फॉर दिस यू फर्स्ट नीड टू स्टार्ट पैम्परिंग योर सेल्फ. तो आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, आप एक लिस्ट बना सकते हैं ऑफ ऑल द पॉजिटिव क्वालिटीज दैट यू फील यू हैव. इससे आपको पता चलेगा कि आप में क्या क्या अच्छाइयाँ हैं एंड दैट वाई यू डोंट नीड टू चेंज. After making a list of all the positive qualities that you have, you may start feeling good about yourselves. Apart from this, diet करनी है तो smartly कीजिए. Eat fruits, vegetables and products that are high on energy, which give you energy, carbohydrates and all the proteins that are required by your body. So what I mean to say is ऐसी dieting कीजिए जिससे आपको energy भी मिले and आप fit भी रहें. So at last, just keep this in mind that staying fit and being thin are 2 different things, and the choice lies in your hands.